Today, we will be making summer vegetable salsa. This recipe is brought to you by the Virginia Family Nutrition Program. To begin, gather your ingredients. Make sure you thoroughly wash your fresh produce in cold water. Dice your tomatoes, onions, and zucchini. Jalapeño pepper is an optional ingredient for those who prefer a spicier salsa. Mince 1 jalapeno pepper. And note that jalapeno peppers can burn the skin. To prevent skin irritation, you can wear food prep gloves when handling jalapeños. Remove jalapeno seeds to cut down the spice level. Next, mince your garlic cloves. Lastly, chop your cilantro and add it to the mixing bowl. Add your lime juice and salt and combine all ingredients. Once combined, chill in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving to allow flavors to marinate. Serve with your favorite sliced vegetables or try the salsa with whole wheat pita bread or our homemade tortilla chips recipe. Enjoy!